tutorial is teaching you how to do one of my absolute favorite sequences called bird's nest sequence. This sequence starts with the hip key on a single pole, so you can get into your hip key however you would like, but for this tutorial I will show you a sneaky leg entrance into hip key on a single pole. So starting by coming up about one climb, we're then going to invert and hook the top of our foot onto the pole we're going to hip key on. I need to lean out to give myself space, and then I'm going to bend my knee just enough, unless you're really flexible, to pass your other leg through. At this point, I need to roll my legs open. And notice where my hand is. It's all the way behind my back and basically pressing onto my other hip. Then I can bring my legs together, pull up through this hand, so I can key over onto my other pole. You can press yourself into the key, but here we are in our hip key. So now I'm going to pay attention to the pole that is my hip key pole, and I'm going to do a single leg wrap. I'm going to turn to you so you can see. So a single leg wrap. And then arch out to this pretty close here. At this point, I'm going to bring my wrapped leg and hook it onto the pole. And bring in my hands, both my hands onto my free pole. I'll roll and press into this wrap on my leg. And I can come out to a full plank here. The next step is to notice where my tail is. I need to pass both my legs in front of it, and then I'm going to pull up on this pole to bring me up into another key. So I've keyed twice in this combination. Essentially, all we do now is unwind. So I'm going to pass through all the same positions again. Passing my legs down, swoop, and rocking back to my knee. Then to get out, I just climb my pole, unhook my legs, and everything will fall off. So I'm going to show that with just a little bit more speed. Invert, hook, slide, roll up. This is the press over version. Press over into hip key, wrap the bottom leg, bring the poles together, arch out for a pretty pose, pass the leg onto the pole with the hook, roll up, pass the legs in front, key up, and now to unwind even faster, swoop, drop. And then to come out, just reaching up, unhooking, and everything will fall off. So I know the sequence has a lot of steps, but give it a few tries and you'll get the hang of it. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will do my best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching.